Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have QCY T1 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to default settings on them. Now you might want to do this for two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If these earbuds will not pair with your Bluetooth device, or if they are not connecting or not syncing with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, any kind of connections or functionality issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to delete the pairing history and start fresh by pairing these to a new device. This will clear out all the history. So if we want to do this, it's quite simple. All we need to do first is take the earbuds out of the case. Now that will turn them on. So what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold simultaneously on the two back buttons on the earbuds for 2 seconds, which will turn them off. Then we can let go. And now they've been force turned off. Then we're going to come back in and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to simultaneously hold for 25 seconds on both. It's a long hold. So we're going to hold. They will blink red and white as they're turning off. Then we continue to hold. They'll blink red and white again as they're turning back on. And they will be completely reset after 25 seconds. You can put them back in the case, then take them out of the case and set them up as a new set of earbuds.